Welcome back to my channel BB Study Zone. Father's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to show your love than with some amazing homemade art and craft. Today, we're going to create 5 fantastic crafts that will make your dad's day extra special. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic handprint card. It's simple, personal, and super fun to make. All you need is some paint, a piece of cardstock, and your creativity. Dip your hand in the paint and press it onto the cardstock. Once it dries, you can add a sweet message for your dad. Next, let's make a personalized photo frame. Grab a plain photo frame, some glue, and a variety of decorations like buttons, beads, and ribbons. Decorate the frame however you like, and once it's dry, add your favorite picture with your dad. This frame is not just a decoration, it's a memory holder that will always remind him of you. Our third craft is a DIY coupon book. Use colorful paper to make small booklets and write different coupons on each page. These can be for things like a free car wash, breakfast in bed, or a movie night together. It's a great way to show your dad that you appreciate him and want to spend more time together. If you're loving these ideas, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more fun crafts and creative projects.